Aside of Christmas, Halloween is our favorite holiday, and every year we all join households to plan out the perfect theme, but we didn't have 3D printers, or better yet, the experience to augment some of our custom designs. It's amazing to have the turnout of over 400 children every year. We hand out close to 80 pounds of sweets and try our best to make a recognizable and fun scene for the kids.
This is just half of our candy. We usually buy 40 to 50 pounds, and Clay and Mandy will buy 40 to 50 pounds. There will not be any candy left at the end of Halloween night. Neighbors are going to love us.
This year, we went back to the old school Frankenstein and gang, and with that, we were able to make some props and also decorate inside.
I printed this brain. Since we're doing Frankenstein for Halloween, this is one of our props. So we've got this jar here, and I tested some highlighter water. So we'll just fill this up with water. We'll dump the innards of the highlighter in there. And that is our little Abby Normal brain for our Halloween prop.
Here's a Maker World model, and that's all PLA. It's just one thin layer, and it actually comes with two different screens you can interchange on the front. You can do the orange, and then they have a green one with a different one, but I like the orange one better. Also nice to be able to take about 10-15 minutes to make extra props for Frankenstein's laboratory experiment stuff. So got these online. They were like 15 bucks. Got two of them, one for each side of the table. And then we just double side tape, put that on here. And this will be bringing Frankenstein to life. Can't wait to act this out. The kids are gonna love it. Now this is a candy dish, and it was a failed print. His left hand, the support fell off it for the second time, and instead of stopping it, I just let it go and cut off the waste and printed a little pumpkin and just glued it to there, and then put some little pieces of candy in there to fill up the empty spots. Our skull here is from STL Flicks, and yeah, looks just really freaking cool. Printed those with two different printers. I printed one side with the Elegoo Centauri Carbon and the other one with the P1S. We like our retro Halloween stuff, so that's a throwback Halloween decoration. And in a pinch, when you can't find anything to print, I'm going to be Igor for Halloween this year. I found these glasses on Maker World, and then these little eyeballs, and they come all different parts, so you only need a single color printer, which I really like doing anyways, and you just put it all together like this. Whew, glasses, isn't that cool? It's so nice to be able to go to Maker World and other free modeling sites to print pumpkins and candles and ghosts and assorted decorations. These are things we wouldn't normally be able to do, but with the accessibility of such incredible technology, we will be doing more for every special holiday. Yes, our stock is going to build. We'll do a follow-up on how this event takes place, but we invite you to join us and see what the next exciting new holidays have in store from our printers. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween, be safe, and we will see you in the next video.